Stop scrolling. I know why you're here. You saw the TikTok ads. Make $10K a day while sleeping with ChatGPT. Let me kill that dream right now, and then rebuild it correctly. In this masterclass, I am not selling you a bot. I am teaching you the statistical edge that hedge funds use, scaled down for retail traders like you. By the end, you will know exactly how to build, backtest, and deploy an AI that actually adapts to the market. The AI misconception: why most fail. Most people think AI trading means asking ChatGPT, "Should I buy Bitcoin?" That is astrology with extra steps. Large language models, LLMs, are terrible at predicting price direction because they are designed to predict the next word, not the next candle. Real AI trading uses machine learning, ML. We don't tell the computer the rules. The computer looks at 10 years of data, finds patterns the human eye cannot see, and spits out a probability. Let me show you the 3 pillars of actual AI trading. Number 1. Data engineering, garbage in, garbage out. 2. Feature selection, what inputs matter. 3. Risk overlay, the kill switch. Pillar 1. Data and the look-ahead bias. Most of you will fail at step 0. You download data from Yahoo Finance and feed it straight to the bot. Disaster. You must clean for survivorship bias. If you only test on S&P 500 stocks that exist today, you ignore the 500 companies that went bankrupt in 2022. Your AI will think risk doesn't exist. We need open, high, low, close, raw, volume, adjusted for splits, economic indicators, VIX, DXY, interest rates. Pro tip: do not use default OHLC data only. It's like giving a race car driver a blindfold. Pillar 2. Building the brain. LSTM versus random forest. You don't need a supercomputer, you need the right model. Use random forest for classification, predicting if price goes up, down, sideways. Great for beginners. Use LSTM, long short-term memory, for regression, predicting the exact price. Harder, usually overfits. Live demo. We are going to use a free Google Colab notebook. I'm loading 5 years of Euro-US dollar data. Watch closely. We are splitting the data. 80% training, 20% testing. Notice, I am not shuffling the test data. Why? Because shuffling the test data breaks time dependency. The future cannot learn from the past. Except in trading, the future rhymes with the past. Look at that, 52% accuracy. That sounds pathetic, right? A coin flip is 50%. But with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2, 52% accuracy makes you a millionaire. Pillar 3. Backtesting and the curve fit trap. Watch out for overfitting, the #1 killer of AI traders. Your AI just memorized the test answers. It looks beautiful in backtesting, but the second you go live, it blows up. The fix. Number 1. Walk forward analysis. Retrain the AI every week. Number 2. Out of sample testing. Hide the last 6 months of data completely. Only reveal it at the end. See that? The AI failed. That saved me $10,000. Always kill your darling bot in backtesting before you kill your bank account live. Execution. Live trading setup. The automation. You have the model. Now how does it talk to your broker? Flowchart. I use a Raspberry Pi or a cheap $10 per month VPS. Do not run this on your laptop. If your Wi-Fi goes down while the AI shorts a 5x leverage trade, you get a margin call. Set 2 hard rules in the API, not in the AI. Number 1. Max daily loss, 5% of capital. Hard stop. Number 2. Max drawdown, 15%. System shuts down. The human factor, why you will quit. Here is the secret the gurus don't tell you. The AI will have a drawdown phase. It will lose 20 trades in a row. Your lizard brain will scream, "The AI is broken!" You will turn it off manually. Then, immediately, the AI would have recovered 50%. The solution: no intervention zone. For 3 months, you do not touch the bot. You watch it burn. You watch it fly. You collect data on your own psychology. Position sizing. Risk 0.25% per trade. If the AI is wrong 40 times in a row, you only lose 10%. You live to trade tomorrow. Tools of the trade: no code versus code. You don't need a PhD. Here are your weapons. For coders: Python. Backtrader, Vector BT, backtesting, scikit-learn, random forest, TensorFlow, LSTM. For no code, trade ideas, Hollywood AI, $200 per month, great for scanning. TrendSpider, automated strategy builder. ChatGPT 4.5, use it to write the Pine script or Python skeleton. Do not use it for price prediction. The final strategy, watchlist and trade plan. Let's get practical. What does a winning AI setup look like? Number 1, asset, NASDAQ, QQQ, or BTC, high liquidity. Number 2, time frame, 1 hour, low noise, high signal. Number 3, the trigger. AI predicts upward momentum, 60% probability. Number 4, entry, aggressive, market, or conservative, limit at the 20 EMA. Number 5, stop loss, 2x ATR, average true range. Number 6, take profit, 4 times ATR, 1 to 2 risk reward. Do not trade 30 different pairs. Train one AI for one ticker. Master the relationship. Conclusion and the challenge. I know you want the get rich quick button. It doesn't exist. But if you spend 30 days doing this, number 1, collect your own data. Number 2, build a random forest model in Colab. Number 3, paper trade it for 90 days. You will beat 99% of day traders who rely on candle patterns from 1850. Smash the like button if you want part 2 where we add sentiment analysis to the model. Comment risk first if you survive to the end. Don't let the bots trade you. You trade the bots. See you in the green.